Good morning, children. Let us begin our day with the thought for the day. Thought for the day is how you make others feel about themselves say a lot about you. So it is up to us to treat each and every individual with love and respect. So yesterday we started with our chapter number 24, the Laughing King, and we saw what happened in the first scene, what happened in the garden, which Griselda was in haste and hurry and she slipped and fell down into the puddle and she was all covered with dirt and the mud. So instead of helping her out, King Leonard was laughing all the time, and which Griselda uttered her magical spell, zoom, moom, shung, and the king kept on laughing all the time. And in the second scene, we have seen the king baked wonderful cakes for the king, but instead of tasting those cakes, king happened to break down queen's favorite plate, and even the cakes were all spoiled. Princess Cynthia came to help her mother. Instead, she cut her finger, she injured herself. Princess was unhappy, she was crying. Queen was unhappy, she was also crying. But the king was laughing all the time. So let us begin now from scene number 3. It is chapter number 24. Page number is 56. So scene number 3, if you happen to miss your line, just read with me so that you won't miss your lines. The wise men are holding a meeting with the ruler of the neighboring kingdom, King Ferdinand. The king enters the chamber followed by the attendants. So first scene was in the garden, second scene was in the palace, and the third scene begins with the courtroom of the king. So wise men are the advisors of the king. All the king, they have their advisors who advise time to time to the king. Like today we have the cabinet of ministers to help out the prime minister to carry out important decisions. Wise men. Your Majesty, King Ferdinand, Your Majesty, King Ferdinand has come with a complaint that thieves from our kingdom have stolen fruits from his orchard. Orchard is the garden full of fruits, and the complaint was that thieves from King Leonard's kingdom are crossing the borders and stealing fruits from the orchard. Leonard, helplessly holding his sides and roaring with laughter, ha ha ha, ho 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 ho. Ferdinand in anger. How dare you laugh at my complaint? I will not put up with this sort of insult. I will be soon back with my army. Leonard, don't go, my friend. Turning to his wise men, stop him, wise men. Stop King Ferdinand. Wise men. But Your Majesty, what makes you laugh at this serious hour? Leonard. Sorry, I can't help laughing. Due to which Griselda's magic. Wise men. The witch's magic? Well, let's all go to witch Griselda and request her to help the king. So in the third scene, there was a complaint from King Ferdinand, but instead of addressing to the complaint of the king, King Leonard was laughing continuously. That made the serious matter more aggravate, because King Ferdinand was now very angry because he had come with a complaint and he was ready for some serious discussions, but the king was laughing all the time. So the king's friend was very angry and he threatened to come back with the army. And the wise men, they were very upset with the behavior of the king. But the king finally told them that due to Griselda's magic, he is not able to control his laughter. Let us see in the last scene what happens in the palace garden. So the play started with the palace garden, and the last scene again we have the palace garden. So just imagine that the matter is very serious and our king is laughing in this time of serious discussion. The palace garden, this is the last scene of the play. Scene number 4, if you happen to miss the line, join from the line, the palace garden. The king enters with his wise men. They see the witch still sitting there with a frown on her face, which was very angry. Still she is very angry. Frown on her face, that means her face is full of anger. Wise men, "O witch Griselda, our dear king is sick of laughing. Please free him from the spell." Griselda, "No, no, no. Why did he laugh at me when I fell into the puddle?" Wise men, "Do forgive him, please." Leonard, trying to control his laughter, "I am sorry, witch Griselda. Ha 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 ha. I hurt your feelings when I laughed at you when you fell into the puddle. But because of your spell, I hurt my wife's feeling and then my daughters and my friends by laughing at their misfortunes. Ha ha ha. I promise you, I will never laugh at others." Laughing again. Ha ha ha. Griselda, "Since you are sorry about your behavior, I will give you one chance. But if you ever laugh at anyone's troubles," King Leonard. So witch Griselda decided to help out the king, but on only one condition, that if you ever laugh, that was a threat, that if you ever laugh, what will she do? Maybe she will say the spell again. Leonard, "Never, never again, never, never again." Griselda, "Shung, mung, zung. Back to your normal self, King Leonard." Leonard, "At last I have stopped laughing. What a relief. Thank you very much, witch Griselda." "Thank you. Now I will write a letter of apology to King Ferdinand. I will get a set of new plates for my queen. Bring my daughter Cynthia. I will stick a plaster on her poor finger. But first, let me present a new dress to dear old witch Griselda." All 3 cheers for the king. So finally, the king was out of the spell. Finally, he could stop his laughter because witch Griselda, on only promise, she decided to help the king that he will never ever laugh on anyone's trouble. So king promised that he would never ever do that again, and he decided to write a letter of apology to his friend King Ferdinand. He decided to buy new set of plates for the queen, but first of all he would plaster the finger of the princess as she was injured while collecting the pieces of that broken plate. But first of all, king said that, "Let me present a new dress to witch Griselda," because her dress was all spoiled. So the play ends with a happy note. Things to do, question answers we will be doing in the next session. So that is all for today. Stay safe, stay indoors. Thank you.